Welcome to my body calming channel. I have two quick tips for you today. One has proven a little frustrating, although simple to correct. The other is where Safari stores a large amount of data on your iPhone. Maybe you don't want it to do that. I don't, and I remove it on a regular basis, and I'll show you how to do it. First, to the frustrating one is where my mother receives text messages, and I have deliberately set a loud and long notification tone. When my mother receives a message from me, she will get this tone, but she has told me in recent days that she isn't getting the tone, just the text message. I had a look at her phone and I couldn't see any reason why it was doing what it was doing. In that I have set a particular tone against my name on her phone, so that when I text her, the tone that's associated with me plays, she hears it, and so on and so forth. What I found was, alongside of my text message, on the left hand side of my icon, is a small moon crescent. Now that immediately tells me it's do not disturb. Yes, it's true-ish, but not quite. Mother has inadvertently set my messages to mute, and you'll see there's now an unmute button there, and of course the delete. So when I now tap unmute, you'll see the crescent moon has disappeared, and Mother now gets notification tones with my text message. Problem solved. Now to the Safari issue. If we go to settings, Safari, and go to the bottom, just have a look, tap advanced, at the top web data, and allow it to load, and I'll show all sites. Tap down the bottom, all sites, and you'll see lots of sites that are storing information on your phone. I'm going back, and I'm now going to go advanced again, web data, and down the bottom remove all web data, and all that web data has now been removed. I do it on a regular basis. Maybe you'd like to too. Thank you very much for coming to my channel and viewing my body calming quick tips. Thank you very much once again, and goodbye.